of this cleaning gel. So it feels like slime and it has a pleasant scent to it. It's not an overwhelming scent, just a mild scent. This gel is a very handy tool to have around when you're wanting to clean your car. It's a great way to get into those hard to reach places like air vents. This is a great way to get some of that excess dust and pollen out of your car. It also works on pet hair or dust, cigarette ash, sand, the list goes on. I thought it was really easy to use. One thing that I did notice was that when it got super hot, it didn't work as well, and so I just took it inside and let it cool down and then started again. So if you're in a very hot climate, you might need to keep it indoors to keep it cool. It's not going to pick up everything in the car, but it's great for those hard to reach places and crevices. You can also use it for household cleaning. For example, you could use it to clean off your remote control, your keyboards, your vents, really anywhere that just gets dust and crevices. This is a nice tool to have on hand, and it's totally reusable.